All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the FNG Academy. Buck here, former Green Beret, here to help you guys get selected. All right, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the giveaway knife. Do an unboxing, show you guys what's up with this thing. I'm super excited about this Toor knife. I can't wait to check it out, see what it's going to look like. The reason we're going to unbox it, first of all, I want you guys to have an opportunity to check it out. But second of all, we're going to be using it in the book promotion video. The book will be coming out March 2021, so be ready for that. The promotion video we're going to be filming at the end of the month with this knife, and you guys are going to get a signed copy of the book and the knife. So that being said, let's open this bad boy up, see how badass it is. Oh, this box is nice. Oh shit. First of all, you get a Toor Knives certificate of authenticity. It's serial numbered. Didn't know they did that. That's pretty sweet. I'll make sure you guys get that with your knife to make sure you get serial number 1746. So I'll make sure not to lose that. And you get a little frog lube. I'm not a knife guy. I don't know how to use frog lube for knives. I use this stuff on my gun sometimes, but I didn't know you use it for knives. Or maybe it's just a gift that they give you. I have no idea. Little microfiber cloth. Ooh. Yes. And here she is. This thing is sick. Get a dope little sheath with it. Oh, I love that. I love that, dude. That thing is badass. To be honest with you, it's going to be really hard to give this away. No offense, but I want to keep it. But I already said the serial number. You guys got to get it right. So you're going to get the same exact knife. Taking this with me to California. We're going to use it in the promotion video. It's going to look awesome. And man, one of you guys is going to be a lucky winner. These things are sweet. They got the little logo stamped into the blade. I love the texture of the grip. It's super comfortable. The ring is a nice size to fit your finger in. I mean, it's just... this thing is dope. It's like a little dagger, man. This little serpent is sick. Honestly, I wish I knew about these when I was in group. I would have put one in my kit. That being said, guys, when we set up for our kit in group, we always want to have a knife with us. So we think of this, let's say we have a rifle, our primary weapon system, we have our gun as our secondary, and then we have a knife as a tertiary. So the reason for that in the location of where we put our knives is generally going to be in your kit somewhere in the center. So that way if you're pinned up into a wall, getting in a fight, you could access it with both hands. The reason we prefer this loop is, again, so instead of having to rely on fine motor skills in a highly stressful situation, you could just stick your thumb in that loop, grab, and then pull up, and then you could get the guy off you if you're in a fight. So obviously they had special operations in mind when they thought of this thing. They got the thumb loop in there. They kept it sleek and thin, nice little dagger. And again, in our kit, we usually have it in the center, somewhere where we could access it with both hands. So this is badass. I'm super excited for you. Huge thank you to Toor Knives for sending this over. Can't wait to give it to some lucky winner with a signed copy of the book. We'll catch you guys next time.
And I can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know